Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Lab with Alakesh Thakuria. Today we will learn how to create an Entra ID group using Azure Portal. First, we need to go to Microsoft Entra ID service. Then under manage, we can see groups, right? We have to click on groups. Now, as you can see, I don't have any groups over here. So to create a new groups, we can click on new group. Then it will open a window and it will ask us to fill some informations to create a new group. First, we need to select group type. There are two options. One is security, another one is Microsoft 365. So security group is more focused on Azure, okay? Like permissions to apps, files, okay, etc. And Microsoft 365 is more focused on collaborations. It is used for collaborations tools like Teams, email, etc. Okay. However, we will select the security groups because this playlist is more focused on Azure, not on Microsoft 365. Okay. Then we need to give a group name. So let's say this group name is IT, okay, and then we have to provide the group descriptions. Let's say this group belongs to IT team, okay. And next, membership type. As you can see, my membership type is set to assigned and it is grayed out, right? Why it is grayed out? Because I am using Microsoft Entra ID free license. Okay. If we use Microsoft Entra ID P1 or P2 license, then we used to get another options called dynamic. So what is the difference between assigned and dynamic in membership type? So if we select assigned, it means we have to add the members to our group manually. And if we select dynamic, then members can be added automatically based on rules. Okay, we just need to define the rules and members can be automatically added. Okay. However, for this lab and for this video and for playlist, we are going to use this assigned options. First, we have to select owners. Now, let's say I will select myself as the owner of this group, okay, which is Alakesh Thakuria. So you can select multiple owners, okay, you can select multiple owners, so there's no problem with that. And then I will select members. So let's go to our users and then select members. So let's say there are 2 members, okay, then click on select. Then we will click on create. So it says creating group IT. As you can see, we have got our group which is IT, right? Now this way we can create the groups in Azure using Azure Portal. Okay, thank you.